Hello guys, welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to enumerate subdomains from our target, and for that we are going to use this tool called subfinder, which is a fast passive subdomain enumeration tool developed and created by Project Discovery. Okay, so before starting, I want to tell you that Recon is one of the most important parts of bug bounty hunting or penetration testing. If you are on internal assessment, it is also very necessary to have a good recon, and you need to gather all the knowledge about the enterprise or website. Without having the proper knowledge of the target, you cannot exploit it and find good bounties. This course is fully focused on recon, and I suggest you that you should watch every each and every lecture from this course from the starting to end. And let's start our enumeration. So this is a very good tool, and I always use this tool to enumerate subdomains. It is a very fast tool, and Go is faster than Python language. So what happens that this is the fastest tool that I have seen till now, and this is the description here. Subfinder is a subdomain discovery tool that returns valid subdomains from websites using passive online sources. It has a simple modular architecture and is optimized for speed. Subfinder is built for doing one thing only, passive subdomain enumeration, and it does that very well. So it is a very fast tool. So first of all, we are going to install this tool in our machine, and for that there is one prerequisite, that it requires Go language 1 with the version 1.19. Okay, so I think here is the requirement. Here you can see that Go 1.19, and installing Go is very easy. I'm using Ubuntu. You can use anything, any distro like Kali Linux, Parrot OS, or you can also do this into Windows, but you need Go 1.19. So for installing Go 1.19, we need to run all these commands. First run these two commands here. Just run this. It downloads this tar file, and then just run all these commands sequentially, and your Go language will be installed. So you can check your Go version by running this command, and it is very simple. So I will put this website link into the resource section. Just check that. To install this subfinder tool, we need to just copy this command from here, which is go install -v, and then the URL of the tool, and we need to just paste it here. I recommend you to change to root, and then just run this command here. And after running this command, it will take at least 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we need to run one more command, which is cp, and then this tilde sign represents home directory, and then we need to write here go, and then bin, and then subfinder. So we need to transfer this binary to our path, so that's why we are doing this. Otherwise we cannot run this subfinder command from our anywhere. Okay, so this is the basic reason we have to run this command. Okay, after that this binary will be transferred to this bin directory, and then we can run our tool from anywhere. Okay, and this is not only the only way for installing this subfinder tool or any tool. There are multiple ways we can see here. We can also use Docker to install, or we can just download this SDK, okay, by here, and just follow the steps. Okay, so this is the basic use. And now I will exit from root. I clear the terminal, and we need to first of all run this command to check that it is working or not. So just run this command subfinder and you can see that no input list provided. If you want to help see the help menu, you can write here like this, subfinder dash dash help, and it will like display the whole help menu. So the use case is very simple. You have to just write here dash d, and after that there will be the domain name for which you are like going to enumerate. I am going to clear the terminal. I will write the tool name subfinder dash d. I will test it on hackerone.com. Now you can see that it has founded 18 subdomains in just 3 seconds. Okay, so this is one of the fastest subdomain enumeration tool I have seen ever. You can see that here it has founded this much subdomains, and then we can also transfer all these to a single file with this command. Like first of all this command, and then you have to write a pipe symbol and then t-a. Then I will write here hackerone underscore domains.txt. Okay, so what this t command does that it also displays the output in real time. Okay, now you can see that it has like uh, founded all the subdomains. Now we can just clear the terminal, and we can just write here cat command and then the file name. You can see here all the subdomains are now gathered, and we can use it in our further pen testing. And if you want to disable the like banner, then you can use like dash silent option to disable the banner. You can see that now the banner is not like showing. Okay, so you can use it like this. Or if you want to find active subdomains, then you can also write here active with the using dash active switch. And if you write like this and just press enter, now you would see that you will get only active subdomains which like return some response. And you can see that now it has finded only 12 subdomains from hackerone.com. Okay, so all these subdomains are live. You can go and test and do your further pen testing on these subdomains. Okay, in this way it all works. And let's see the subfinder help menu to discuss some more switches. So if you want to see the sources from which subfinder gathers subdomains, then you can just write this command subfinder dash ls. Okay, and it will display all the sources from which it like gathers subdomains. And one more thing, that this is not enough. You have to just change this file also. Means you have to add your API key into this, otherwise it will not work. So for adding API, we need to just write a nano, paste the file name, press enter, and from here you need to add your API key here. Okay, you need to search on Google. So I'm going to test it with binary edge. Just go here, open a new tab, paste this binary edge. We need to just go to this binaryedge.io website. Okay, and we need to just log in from here. Just click here on login, and after login what you will get that after login you need to go to your profile section, and you will get there an API key, and you have to paste that API key at here. Okay, at here, and after that it will function very well. And let me show you why I'm like telling this. So if I run once more the command, and now I add dash v, and if you add dash v, then it will like increase the verbosity, and it will display like a verbose output. If I press enter, now you can see that we haven't like defined the API key, so it is like telling that cannot use the leakix. source because there are no API keys or secret keys defined for it. So if you define API keys, then what will happen that it will be better for you, it will gather more subdomains for you. Okay, and here you can see that uh, it is also using a website called riddle.io to like gather subdomains, as you can see in the verbose output. In this way it works. Let's see some more help options. You can also pass the domain into a file, and then you can just write like this, subfinder -dl, and then the file name, and it will display the like it will search for that. You can also like exclude some sources, or you can add all sources. We can use some filters also here. It's up to you how you use them. And this is the rate limiting, you can define it also. You can update the subfinder by just writing this command, subfinder -up. Okay, and then you can also like get the output in JSON format. Like if I write here like this, and then I will write here O and then J, small o and capital J, then you will get to see that it is like giving the output in JSON format. You can see here all the output is it is in JSON format. So in this way this subfinder tool works, and this is one of the more like best tool that I have ever used. And I hope you understand how to use this subfinder tool. Okay, don't focus on tool, just focus on the concept, and just watch every lecture from this course, and you will be very good in Recon. And if the your Recon is strong, then you will find good bounties, because if your Recon is strong, then you have an advantage from other people's. So this for this video guys, I hope you like this lecture, and let's move to the next lecture.